Hi guys, thanks so much for joining me today, and here we go. This is a question that I keep getting again and again. How do you know what kind of beads to put together, and how do you know what sizing to use? So I'm here to show you a little bit about a card that I use. It's this little bead wizard card. You can get it online and it's about $5, and it looks and feels just like a credit card. You can put this in your wallet while you're shopping for beads. On here, you can see the graduated sizes of the beads. So when you're shopping and they're on a strand, you can kind of figure out what size you need, or what size you're gonna put the project together. In that case, this is a perfect example right here. This necklace has 4 different sizes of beads. So you've got your little tiny 3mm or 4mm. This one here is a 6. And then you go to this one being the 8, and this one's slightly larger, probably between a 9 and a 10. So you can make projects like this and use these types of beads, right? Various sizes. You can also stackable bracelets like this combination here. So you've got your little tiny one graduated to the bigger one. And then you've got the one next to that, and you can kind of see it goes all the way up to size 10. Okay, so it just gives the jewelry look a dimension if you're adding different sizes to them. As you are at the store, and if you want to go ahead and make a necklace of some sort and you have a cabochon like this, you can also take this out, and if you flip the side of the card, so you've got your sizing of the beads here, and here it's going to give you all kinds of measurements. You've got millimeters here, and you've got your inches here, and you can kind of just put this here and see for the project that you're trying to put together what size is that, and it's right there. It's really convenient. With that being said, let me go ahead and take you guys to Michael's and show you some bead strands, so that way we can see some of the beads. They do tell you what sizes they are, others they don't. But even if you have it on the little paper that's on the bead strand, you may not know exactly what size that is that you're trying to put together. So this is just a nifty little tool to carry around. It's also got string length that you might need, and how many beads, depending on the sizes of the beads you might need to put together a bracelet. It's just something cool to have. On that note, let's go do some shopping at Michael's so I can show you what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Look at the colors and textures and sizes. It's an endless possibility here, guys. All right, let's start with the red tags. The red tag beads are usually glass, not gemstones, and you will not find any type of sizing on these tags. So that card might come handy if you have it with you. And let's go look for some more sizes here. Here are some in the black tag, which are a little bit more expensive, but they tend to be a little bit more crystal in them. And these you can see are clear in the green area there. And I've got some 4mm, 6mm, and now 8mm. And these are all in the black tags, and they show you up on the top what MMs they are. And then this one here is a little bit larger on the 10mm. And so you can see the graduated sizes here. You can put together whatever color combination you want. So have fun and let me know what you make.